Hey, this is John with FixYourDirtBike.com, and this is how to install the cylinder on your 1994 through 2001 Yamaha YZ125. You can find my full top-end service video as well as parts and tools linked below. Double check the cylinder bore and mating surfaces for cleanliness. Install your new gasket. Lubricate your piston with 2-stroke oil and rotate the crankshaft so the piston is at top dead center. Double check that the piston ring is seated against the locating pins and position your cylinder. Hold your cylinder as level as you can with the piston and compress the rings against the alignment pin. The cylinder should slide right over the ring. Just like when you removed the cylinder, do not twist the cylinder during install. You will break something. As you can see here, you might have to fight the piston and ring to get it into the bottom of the cylinder. Not exactly graceful, I'll admit, but whatever you need to do, just make sure the piston goes into the cylinder straight. This is an edited version of this. This took me longer than I'd care to admit. Still going. Oh, almost. There it is. With your cylinder on the gasket, rotate the crankshaft several times to feel for any binding or dragging. If your piston travel is anything but smooth, remove the cylinder and recheck everything. I highly recommend using ARP Ultra Torque to get the most accurate torque specification. Thread the cylinder mounting nuts finger tight. Remember, when using the torque adapter, you will not need to compensate for length if the adapter remains at a right angle on your torque wrench. Begin torquing the nuts in the same crisscross pattern. Turn the nuts 1/4 turn at a time, taking as many passes as you need to reach torque. Torque the cylinder mounting nuts to 21 foot-pounds. If you need any help or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments or shoot me a DM. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.